There's one thing about these crimpers I'll mention at the end, but overall, the one thing I don't love is that once in a while you can get an uneven crimp, but even with that, there's still a tool I reach out for regularly and rely on. I've been using these Malco C5R crimpers for about 6 years. At work, and they've held up incredibly well. As an HVAC tech, we use them on spiral duct and light gauge sheet metal, and they're comfortable to use with ergonomic handles and really smooth operation. The crimp quality is usually excellent, and they're versatile enough to handle a lot of different jobs without feeling awkward in your hand.